First line, perhaps the most important asset of a good stenographer is a sound knowledge of words full stop. You should know the meanings of as many words as possible, as well as the shorthand outlines for them full stop. This is your stock in trade, comma, so to speak, full stop. Second line, an excellent method of increasing your knowledge of words and your shorthand skill is to write articles dictated from a newspaper or magazine full stop. If you do not know the meanings of some of the words, comma, look them up in a dictionary immediately, full stop. If you cannot do this at once, comma, place a circle around these words, comma, and find out their meanings when an opportunity presents itself, full stop. Third line, a very good way to increase your knowledge of shorthand outlines is to read plenty of literature written in shorthand, full stop. Always be sure to look up the meanings of any words you do not understand, full stop.